No, it's not Santa. It's Uncle Chris.
What you got cooking smells so good. Everyone's looking.
So y'all, if you watched the last video, you know I decided to do an extra pizza because I had some leftover spaghetti and I had some more people coming over. So I wanted to show you that one too. I'm gonna show you now how I made it, and in a few minutes, I'm about to show you the pizza. All the leftover spaghetti you have, we're gonna do a garlic spaghetti pizza. Hold on. So we're gonna take the same combinations we did before. I'm gonna put some spaghetti sauce in the middle. Hold up. Doesn't spaghetti already have spaghetti sauce in it? Retake. You know what? We already got spaghetti sauce on here. Take two. In case you mess up like I did, which isn't really a mess up. I put that back in the can. I'm gonna use it for something else. I'm spreading this over here. I got some garlic. I don't want to open. Oh my goodness. That's garlic. And I'm putting it over here. A little on top of the pizza. Because let me tell you, this is garlic. Wow. Now take your spaghetti and spoon it on. Because this is your sauce and everything all together. Now don't spoon it on too thick because it's a pizza and it won't do right. It'll be too messy. Okay. I'm going to almost to the edges with it, as far as I can. Now I'm gonna take me some mushrooms, 1 can. This is a 6.5 ounce. Nope, excuse me. Yes, 6.5 ounce. The older you get, the better your eyesight gets. Yeah, Mr. Magoo. We're gonna put our mushrooms over top. Yes, we are. Because Uncle Chris loves him some mushrooms. Now, I'm gonna take, I got some pepper jack cheese I'm gonna put over top of this. You can use mozzarella, but pepper jack is just what I have to have. Nah. And besides, since the holidays are over, sometimes it can get a little monotonous or depressing or sad that Christmas is gone, but the New Year is coming. And it also means let's set some goals. Now, I'm serious now. Set a goal and stick to it. You don't have to get the highest or the absolute best, but if you aim for the stars, if you catch the moon, it's okay. You went somewhere, you did something, you know, and that's what I'm gonna try. Because Uncle Chris is gonna try the hardest thing. I'm gonna try to get back that Vavoom beefcake body I used to have. What? Uncle Chris used to have what? Yes, I did. If you haven't seen my story, I'll put a link to it down below. But yes, your Uncle Chris used to have a knockout body. I'm gonna say this piece of cheese. That's right. All right. In the oven, 375 degrees for 30 minutes or until golden brown. Because remember, everything is cooked. Okay? All right. Nieces and nephews, this pizza came out good. Look at that. Look at that. I'm going to go, it's hot, but I'm going to take my time and go straight down the middle like I did the other one in the other video. Oh, let's go under here. hope y'all do these because it's a great way to get rid of the leftovers, get the kids to eat the leftovers, get company to eat the leftovers, and tomorrow I'm going to show you some appetizers. If you're having a New Year's Eve party, how to get rid of those leftovers and serve them as appetizers that are actually good. Okay? All right. Now like, now comment, now subscribe. I'm so crazy. Oh, write to me, Uncle Chris, the Food Pantry Chef at gmail.com. Okay? All right. I'll answer any questions you may have or any concerns you may have, or if you just want to chat. All right. Big love from Uncle Chris. Ho, ho, ho. No.